Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video I'm going to be talking all about Amazon accessories, all my favorite jewelry mainly, and then I also have a hat, some belts, sunglasses. Those are some of my favorite things to get on Amazon, sunglasses. So I'm just going to share all my favorite things. Some of these have seen a lot of wear, and that's typical. Obviously, this isn't like jewelry that's going to last a long time. So if some of it has a little bit of wear on it, just know I put these things through it. Okay. So like I wear them, like this necklace in particular, I've worn this in the ocean, I've worn it in chlorine, I've worn it in the shower, like I've worn it everywhere, and it does have a teeny tiny bit of tarnish on it, but for the most part, it's pretty dang good. So these are my favorite things from Amazon. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, and let's get into it. Okay, so I've shared all of these sunglasses before in like previous Amazon hauls and all that kind of stuff, but I just thought I would share again because they are my favorites. So my number one favorites are definitely these. They look exactly like the high key sunglasses from Key Australia. They are definitely dirty. Sorry, probably all of these are, but I have these in the gold and in the black, and I think they're around $16, something like that. Way more affordable than like $60. So they look literally identical, and unfortunately my black ones I dropped and the lens popped out and I can't get it back in, but for that price tag, I will definitely buy them again. They are so flattering. They're very oversized aviators, and I just love them to death. They're my most worn sunglasses by far, because I had the Key ones and then I got these ones just because then I can wear them and not ruin them, I guess, in like the ocean and all that kind of stuff. Then these ones I love as well. These are a dupe for a high-end sunglasses pair. The one thing I will say about these is they're definitely heavy and you will rub off makeup. So these are more of a pair where you're like not wearing makeup maybe, or like you don't want to take your sunglasses off afterwards. Does that make sense? You're going to be outside for a long time. These look amazing with a swimsuit. They're so big and beautiful. I love big sunglasses. So these are freaking amazing. And I shared these a really long time ago in one of my like Amazon designer dupes videos. And I just love them. And then these are my latest like pair that look expensive. Oh gosh, I don't wear these enough. These were in my car. Actually, I had to go grab them. I love a tortoiseshell look to any sunglass basically, and these are just great. These are also great, any of the plastic ones, because you can go like this and it not get caught in your hair, because that's my biggest pet peeve. That's the only thing with the like kind of aviator ones that I hate, is there's nose pieces and then they get stuck in your hair, which is annoying. I don't know about you, but I've seen Gucci belts everywhere. Not as much lately, but they used to be around all the time, and people wanted dupes and lookalikes and all that kind of stuff, and I just literally needed a belt. So I ended up getting a brown one. Thought I lost it somewhere, but then ended up finding it in a suitcase, and so I ordered another one, right? So I ordered a 2-pack off of Amazon, which I love the 2-pack because obviously I get a black and a brown, and those are the staple belts that anyone needs. I don't think you'll need another belt in your closet, literally. I love these belts. I think they're great. They're just a belt. But they look really nice and high end because of the gold on them as well. And they look really cute on, just a little statement, and the way these kind of like go together is kind of cool. So instead of like that little thing that goes, I don't know, like a traditional belt, literally all you do is stick this thing in the hole, which is really easy. So you just thread this through here and then stick it in the hole there. So then it snaps like that. And I think it just looks super cute. So if you need a good belt, or just like you've been looking for some on Amazon, these are great. And then my last like miscellaneous thing I think I'm going to share, other than jewelry obviously, is this hat. I love this thing so much. So if you need a hat for the summertime, I don't know, if you're out in your yard a lot, if we ever get to go to the pool or whatever, you know, after this quarantine thing. This hat is amazing because it has UPF 50. So it's going to give sun protection to your face, the back of your neck. If your hair is up, it's going to protect your hair from like the sun coloring it and stuff. It's amazing. I've worn this on vacation a lot. The best thing is if we ever do get to like travel or whatever, you can literally scrunch this thing up so much and it just pops right back. So you can put this in a suitcase or whatever. Obviously no one's traveling right now, and so you can't really do that, but you could roll this in a beach bag or whatever as well, and it literally pops back to normal. I've worn this in the pouring rain and it does totally fine. I was literally on vacation in the ocean. It was pouring rain and it was totally fine. So I think this is just a great staple if you don't have a hat with like sun protection or something in it. It's great, you know, because no one wants to age, right? I mean, I don't want wrinkles, and the sun gives you those wrinkles. So now we're going to go on to jewelry, and I think I'm going to pop in like the mirror or something to show you guys these up close because it's kind of hard to see with me sitting like this. So okay, never mind. I'm just going to have you on my phone up close. So these are my most worn studs. You guys, I have left these in for months and months at a time, and they are amazing. They haven't tarnished or anything. They don't irritate my ears. They come in like, I think 5 different sizes, and I literally love them. I've worn them through everything and they are still nice and shiny. I do love taking like Dawn dish soap, putting them in some water with Dawn dish soap and then scrubbing them, and they come back beautiful. So I have worn these for forever. The next thing that I have, and I do the same thing with this ring as well, is this beautiful ring. I have worn this nonstop and I just think it looks so nice. It is an eternity, so it goes all the way around. And that's my most worn ring from Amazon as well. So this is my first necklace that I got from Amazon. It has these 3 little bars. I don't know if this specific one is available from this seller. Every time I go to the link, it shows one that's a little bit different. But again, like I said in the intro, I've worn this in the ocean, and literally the only area that has tarnished is like the little ring area. And you can't even really tell. It's so durable and I love it. And then the next one that I have is this little initial, which I think is just so cute. And it's nice to layer with something like this a little bit longer. And I could even have this up a little bit shorter, but I'm not a huge fan of like choker necklaces. So I just have my little E initial, and it's just super dainty. I love dainty necklaces and just like stud earrings and stuff like that. So that's what a lot of these are. The next thing that I also have on me is this wrap bracelet. So it just kind of clasps right there, and it has the little bit of like snake skin on it. And it just wraps around. So it's just like a nice little accessory. I personally think accessories make an outfit. They really add a lot of pizzazz, personality, whatever to whatever you're wearing. And I think they make an outfit, in my opinion. So now I'm going to show you some other earrings and stuff that I love. Okay, I forgot to show you one. So I have this ear cuff on. I hope you can see it. And it literally isn't, I don't have a piercing here. So it just cuffs around your ear. I'm like bending my ear all weird. And this one has a couple little studs here. It comes in a pack with like 6 different ones, I think. 6 gold and 6 silver of the same ones. And I wear them all the time just because I think it looks really cute, but I don't want to get that area pierced. So it just like adds a little something. Okay, now I have, sorry about this hand, it has self-damage all over it. So now I have this set of this little sun and then this little moon, which I think are so cute. And they look very similar to ones that I think it's Jude Francis is the brand of really expensive ones. So I wore these all through like February and March even, and I love them and I never took them out. And then I also love these little bars with the little studs on them. And this comes in a pack with a bunch of different ones, like a regular bar that's just gold and a couple hoops that I'll show you as well. And so I have those on like both ears as well. I just love little dainty earrings like this, and these are some of my favorites. I have these little hoops next that come in the pack with those little gold bars. I love the like studded ones are like little tiny huggy hoops. And then these ones are just like solid gold. And here they are on the other ears. Unfortunately, whoever did my second ear holes made them not even, like they're not the same, which drives me nuts. So this one doesn't hug my ear as much, but you know what? It is what it is. So I love layering these. I just think it looks so, so pretty. And again, just a nice little dainty ear cuff kind of thing, or huggy. So yeah, these come in the same set as the little bar ones. Okay, and then I now have these little like climbers, I think is what you could call them. My ears are starting to get red from taking earrings out so many times, but aren't these just so cute? So it's just one hole. So I put in my first hole and then I just swing it up. And it has a back on it that has a little like plastic around it so that it stays put. I love these ones. I think they're so pretty. So those are some of my favorites as well. But I don't leave them in for a long time. I like take them in and out. Unlike the other ones, like the huggy ones and stuff like that, I leave those in for like weeks and months at a time. Okay, now I have these ones, which I love because they're a stud, but they're a statement stud. So I've worn these to weddings or like when I want to dress up a little bit. And they're just like a little bit more blingy without being actually like a dangled one. And I just think they are so gorgeous. But again, so affordable, and you're not gonna break the bank like at all. But aren't these just so pretty? They sparkle like crazy too. Okay, now I have these, which are my favorite statement hoops. Like if I want to wear hoops, I wear these usually. I do want a pair of like skinnier ones because I don't think I have any anymore. I got rid of them and I love these. These are more of a rose gold. Everything else I shared is a gold. I only really wear gold jewelry, other than a necklace that I got from Caleb like forever ago when I did like silver jewelry, but now I only really wear gold. And these are just kind of like a thicker hoop, but they're nice and lightweight, so they don't hurt or anything when I'm wearing them, but I love a good hoop earring, and these don't like connect in the back, so it's a normal back. It doesn't like snap shut, so these ones are so cute. I love them. And last but not least, we have these ones, which are kind of like a tortoisey cheetah kind of look. And they're like an octagon maybe. And I think these are so fun. Again, I love hoops, and these ones just make a little bit of a statement, but they're not too out there. So these are the last pair that I really like. Again, super, super lightweight. I can't really even feel them in my ears, but I like to wear these again when I want to wear a hoop, but a little bit of a statement. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. There are so many Amazon accessories that I love, and I honestly want to get more. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.